Good morning. Live from my bedroom. Okay, there's a lot that I have to tell you. So today's video is a brand new start, a brand new everything, mindset, weight loss, focus, just plan, let's just say. So to be real, here we go. So over the past couple of months, my father-in-law was really sick, and we spent pretty much all of our spare time with him in the hospital, in and out of rehab, with my mother-in-law, with my family, in the ICU, all over the place. It has been quite a few months. He passed away, and just throughout this entire time, I have not been focused. I have not. I have tried. I mean, like, parts of the day I could be focused, parts of the day I wasn't focused. It's just been an emotional halt to everything. Wasn't in the gym as much, if at all. Periodically in the gym, not, nothing like I was. And I really thought for sure that I had this locked down, that no stressor was ever going to get to me again in the food addiction, seeking food for comfort, or just not giving a crap mentality. I really thought that. And as a leader, an influencer, someone you follow, whatever you want to call me, I'm really just a real person. And I feel like if I am not 110% real with you guys, then what kind of leader am I? So I started thinking about that. What kind of leader am I if I don't lead the army, right? So, oh my God, I hate even being in this place right now. But it is what it is, okay? I'm up 15 pounds. I want to lose 20 because I need that leeway. And guys, I know you're going to hate this. Maybe not. Guys, I'm doing the only thing that I know works for me. And that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to take you on this journey once again. But you know what? It is what it is. I'm human. I am a person. I live here in my house. I work. I have a family. I'm just like you. I'm a person. Things happen. Although I really didn't plan on this to happen. This is the second year that I've kept my weight off. And over the past couple of months, due to the illness and the death of my father-in-law, due to me saying goodbye and resigning from my job and starting a new one, there's just been a lot. And I really did think, because for 2 years now, I have kept this weight off. But this was just over the top stress. And I let myself fail. That's it. But I really don't see it as failure, because it's not 50 pounds, which was my original weight loss. It's 15, and I want to lose 20. So with that being said, I'm taking you on this crazy journey. Every Tuesday will be my weigh-in day, and let's see what happens. I need to get this weight off. I'm feeling really uncomfortable. My clothes still fit, but they're tight, and I just don't like the way I look. Don't like the way I feel. Haven't been sleeping. I feel like shit, guys. I am not that happy, peppy person, and I know it's because of what I'm putting into my body. So yeah, that's where we are. So today's a vlog of my day, of what I'm eating, drinking, the whole 9 yards. So follow me along. We'll see you at breakfast. But what I do have before I get out of bed, Jess made coffee. So in this cup of coffee is 1 tablespoon of International Delight sugar-free caramel macchiato, creamer, and 1 packet of Sweet Leaf stevia. So gonna have that, still stay in bed, then hit in the shower, get dressed, and start my day. So see you in a little bit. Out of the shower, washed my hair. I'm about to curl it, put my makeup on, but it is now 10 a.m. and I am at meal number 1, and here it is. That's right. This is the Optavia what is it called? Drizzled Chocolate Fudge Crisp Bar. Amazing. I love this one. This is my second favorite. My first favorite is the creamy, smooth chocolate chip peanut butter bar, what have you. So this is going to be my first meal of the day after my coffee. You know what? I'm going to try to open this for you and show you what it looks like. I mean, I'm sure you're pretty much familiar with this if you followed my journey before, but if not, here you go. This is what it looks like. Check it out. So delicious. So I am into meal number 1. Back on program to get this damn weight off, to clear my mind, to make it easy, convenient, especially with starting a new job. I need convenience. So meal number 1, I'm gonna go get ready, head out for the day, and I'll see you back at meal number 2. All right, guys, showered, dressed, at the store. I have to pick up a couple things, but I wanted to show you how to do this on the go because it's so simple. And I know you've probably seen me say it before, but anyway, I have a paper bag. Whenever I go somewhere and I have a bag that's still able to be reused, I do. I keep it in the house just for a perfect situation like this. So I'm on the go. So what I did was I filled up a shaker cup with water and ice. And then I have this with me. This is the creamy chocolate shake fueling. This is the one that I love the most. So I'm going to have that at my next fueling. And I'm not going to show you the rest, but the rest are in here. And I'll continue going as we go along. So right now it is 11:30. So I have a half an hour to an hour as to when I have this chocolate shake. So I'm gonna hit the store, come back, make my shake in the car, and maybe I'll show you how that's done because, you know, when you're on the go, you gotta know what you're doing, right? So simple, but yet so difficult sometimes. So see you within the hour. All right, guys, see you soon. So we're back in the car. It's 3 hours since my first fueling. This would be your max, so you don't want to go above 3 hours because then hunger sets in and you start craving and you want to eat other things. So in order to keep yourself in fat burning mode and to limit your cravings, they recommend anywhere between 2 and 3 hours between fuelings. I usually do 2, but this was a little bit of a stretch. So here we go. We're going to make the chocolate creamy shake in the car, prepared with a shaker cup filled with ice water. So let me take the top off. I'm gonna open up my pouch, put that on my little armrest here. And I mean, like, how simple is this? I didn't have to spend time in the kitchen cooking. I didn't have to meal prep. It's literally pour your powder into the cup. Basically a protein shake. That's all it is. But this one's really good. It's filled with vitamins and minerals. All right, so I'm gonna shake it. Wait, it's not closed good. Hold on, guys. Ah! Hold on. I guess this top wasn't ideal. I guess I took the wrong top. Joy. So now we're gonna probably have some leakage. So hold on. Hoping not, but I'm gonna open my door to shake it. So hold on 1 second. Yeah, we got a little leakage. Ah! That's not good. Hold on. Actually, it's not too bad. It's a little bit of leakage, but it's not terrible. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Hold on. There it is. Chocolate creamy shake going down the hatch right now. As I drip all over my pants. Still good. Still going in. I will see you at my next fueling. So it is now 2 hours later. It is 3 o'clock. It is pouring rain where I'm at. And hence the hair. One side's flipping out, one side's straight. I'm a mess. But I'm prepared. And that's what's important. So let's see what we've got. We have got the big cup of water. My little Ray Dunn insulated coffee cup loaded with water and ice. Because you're supposed to drink with your fuelings. Obviously with the shake, it has, you know, the fluids with it. But the next one, I'm going to be drinking water with it. Now, I brought a whole bunch of stuff. So I have the silky peanut butter bar. I'm not going to have that because I had a bar earlier. smoky barbecue crunchers, honey mustard and onion sticks. And then I have another bar, chocolate drizzled. So I think I'm gonna go with the honey mustard pretzels right now. Put that over there. So here's what the bag looks like. I'm gonna show you what the inside looks like because it is. So the bag is open. Here's what they look like. These are really cool. These are like pretzels, but they have this honey mustard seasoning on it. I can't explain it, but they're so good. So good. Now, if you wanted a good thing to have if you're home, I love a Laughing Cow light wedge cheese. With this, I open up the packet and I like to dip it in. But since I'm in the car, I didn't bring Laughing Cow. But these things are delicious. These things also, if you save like a handful and you have salad for your lean and green, crunch these up and sprinkle them on top. It's like croutons. Delicious. So, fueling number 3 at 3 o'clock. Really late in the day for this. I'm going to shoot for the next one at 5, then 7, then 9. I'm going to have the next fueling at 5, probably as my lean and green. And then 2 later. We'll see. But you don't ever want to not have your fuelings. A lot of times I've had clients that they're like, I'm not hungry. I skipped one, whatnot. But truth be told, stay on plan. The plan is written to work. Don't skimp out. Don't gyp yourself. Because then what's going to happen is you're going to get hungry and you're going to go in that kitchen and you are going to rummage and you are just going to eat. So stay on plan. If you're not hungry, split it up. Have half and then have half like a half hour later. But eat your fuelings. So I'm going to go enjoy these. And my water. Right now I'm going to take a sip. I'm going to wait this rain out for a little bit. What a crappy day. I went shopping. Got a few new things for my new job. I guess I could tell you about it. More corporate nursing. Bigger job, better opportunity. But I have to dress corporate. Blouses, slacks, dresses, things like that. So I went and got some. I guess I can insert a couple pictures if you'd like to see the couple of things I got. Keep in mind, I think there's one sweater that I have where I have jeans on. Obviously, I'm not going to wear jeans with it. I'm looking for a pair of gray slacks to wear with that. So keep that in mind and enjoy the little show of what I just got. They're all from TJ Maxx. Really good prices, guys. TJ Maxx has designer clothes for the best prices around. You cannot beat it. Then I went to DSW and bought a pair of nude heels. I'll show you that also. And I'll see you at the next fueling. Well, it's that time again. It is now 10 after 5. About to eat my lean and green, and I want to show you what it is because it is something super special. More water, chugging it down today, guys, chugging it. So here's dinner, guys. Here it is. Look at the glorious goodness of this dinner. Look at that. Okay. So we have 5 ounces of cooked 93% lean ground turkey, 1 cup of baby bok choy stirred up in a frying pan with a little bit of cooking spray, half a cup of cauliflower rice, and 1 wedge of light Laughing Cow. That would be 1 condiment. Here's the little wrapper. And then I'm going to top this just with a little bit of this stuff. Tomato ketchup, no sugar added. Literally less than a tablespoon. Just for some sweetness. And that, look, this is a dinner plate, guys. This is not, you know, your little cake plate. This is a big dinner plate. A lot of food, keeping me satisfied, keeping me on track. And yeah, so I still have 2 fuelings to go for the day. Can you believe it? So I'm about to go enjoy this, and I just wanted to show you how eating this way will help you lose weight, keep you healthy. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to dig in. Here is fueling number 5. It is the chocolate brownie. It is cooked in this little ramekin. 3 tablespoons of water to the mix and cook it in the microwave for a minute. And here it is. So if you've never seen this before, it has yogurt chips inside. So delicious. I like to top this with PB2, but tonight I didn't because I had 1 condiment worth of creamer in my coffee this morning. 1 Laughing Cow wedge is another condiment. And I'll probably have another cup of coffee decaf later, and I will want my 3rd condiment to be the sugar-free creamer. So I'm having this plain, and it's fine with me because it is warm and soft, and I can't wait to dig in. So see you at my last fueling, guys. Okay, guys, so we're at fueling number 6. This is the last one of the day. So I just love this. This is the creamy chocolate shake. Again, I had this today already, but I'm putting this in a blender with ice, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of PB2 as my 3rd condiment. I decided not to go with the coffee, just kind of not in the mood. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of this. I'm going to show you the blender to show you what it looks like mixed with the ice, and it will be a nice cold treat. So let me show you what that looks like. All right, so here it is. This was just blended up really well with water and ice, and I'm gonna add my tablespoon of PB2. See how I level it nice? So I add it in, and I'm gonna blend it up for one last blend here. Hold on 1 second. All right, so now I'm going to put, let me just grab a straw. Okay, since I'm home, I'm literally just putting in a smoothie straw, and I'm going to drink it right out of the blender. Just for reference, Bed Bath & Beyond carries these smoothie straws. Let me get the label to be normal here so you can see it. This is what it is. Milkshake straws. 50 of them. They're not the nice wide ones. Again, they sell these at Bed Bath & Beyond. This is where I buy them. And there it is. Whoops, where's the handle? It's on this side tonight. So I'm going to take a sip. And I'm going to go enjoy that. I'm going to go watch some TV. And that is a full day of eating on Optavia, guys. Filling, satisfying, and it will get me these 15 to 20 pounds off. Probably in a very short amount of time, I'm hoping. So stick with me. I'll be making these periodically, and I will be doing a weigh-in video every Tuesday. So stay tuned. I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great night, guys. Stay focused. Bye.